How to use Amazon gift wrapping option. Want to make your gift extra special? This guide shows you how you can use Amazon's gift wrapping option so you can wrap a gift for the recipient. First, you need to go to the checkout page. Add an item that you want to gift to your cart and then tap on the proceed to checkout button. You'll see a button that says this is a gift. Tap on it to mark the item as a gift. Since you don't have access to the checkout option right now, please follow the rest of the steps yourself. On the next page, you'll see an option that says gift wrap. Tap on it to select a gift, a bag, or a box to a gift. Tap on it to select a gift bag or a box for a gift. You'll be able to see the price for the gift wrapping option. You can also add a gift message for the recipient. You can type in a message and a name for the recipient and the sender. This gift wrapping option will be added to a total. The gift will be wrapped, the gift message will be included. You should know that not all products are eligible for gift wrapping. If you don't see the option, it means product can be gift wrapped. It is a great way to make the gift feel more special. You now know how to use Amazon's gift wrapping option. Get ready to make your gift extra special. Like and subscribe for more app tips.